So today we are going to talk about unbelievable facts about Antarctica, and I am sure it will really chill you to the bone. So little is really known about this huge continent at the bottom of our planet. But the more we learn, the more fascinating it becomes. So let's start. Despite its name, there are actually no ants in Antarctica. Yes, the one which roams around the corners of your house. But amazingly, this is one of the only places on Earth that has never been colonized by ants. No ants, but it did used to have dinosaurs. To our surprise, specimens of long dead dinosaurs were found on the continent over the last few decades. Some parts of Antarctica have never seen rain or snow for 2 million years, while large swathes of the continent are buried in hundreds of meters of ice. Others are completely ice free. These areas are called dry valleys or Antarctic oases. They are some of the driest and the harshest environments on Earth, and it has been estimated that they have never seen rain or snow in almost 2 million years. That's really too surprising. It is bigger than the continental United States. Yes, Antarctica is absolutely huge. Its estimated surface area is somewhere in the region of 40 million square kilometers. Its size also grows in winter when ice builds up on its coast, with the surface area of the United States being somewhere in the order of over 9 million kilometers square. It is about 1.5 times bigger. That is absolutely fascinating. One of its waterfalls looks like something out of a horror film. Sometimes the name given to the landmarks are bang on target. One prime example is Blood Falls in Antarctica. In 1911, on remote glacier in East Antarctica, a strange phenomenon was observed. The lily-white ice of the Taylor Glacier was being stained a deep red by water flowing from deep within the glacier. The water flowing from within the glacier was from a subglacial lake high in salt and oxidized iron, and when it came into contact with the oxygen, the iron rusted, giving the water its striking red shade and its name Blood Falls. Hope you all find my today's video interesting. Thank you so much for watching it. Meet you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye.